Good morning, guys. It is super early in my house, so that's why I am talking low. So normally on Sundays, I just chill, sleep in the bed, sleep in a little bit. But this morning, I was waking up a little bit early, and it was because FedEx delivered a package, and it's not just a package, it is my skincare package. So what happened, I joined the Farmasi family back on, not that far, September 1st, and I had tried their tea tree all skincare product, their sample, and I fell in love with it. Unfortunately, waiting on the regular size to come in, the samples did run out, and unfortunately I did have to use my other skincare that I was using before, and I tell you what, you can tell the huge difference. So I'm super excited. This has come in. I didn't even brush my teeth. I didn't do anything, so this is why I am dressed like this. But let's get into it. Yeah, lucky for me, FedEx, they use FedEx, which for FedEx, they come to my home pretty early. They come in the morning, so that's why I'm super glad they use FedEx. Trying to be real quick, not to blink. Baby boy up. And if I keep looking down, I also have the baby monitor on him too as well. So that's why I keep looking down. Okay. And I did get a good bit of stuff with this shipment. So let's get to it. Alright. So I got the foundation brush, the perfume, the brightness serum, the eye balm, sunscreen, and I got the tea tree all serum, which I got this for free. Got the toner, face cream. Oh, I also got Radiant Mind. I get to take this today. I'm so excited. I still got my retainer in my mouth. Got the eye patches. Got the cleansing balm. Could have used that yesterday. The face wash. I got the toner spray, which I will be putting this in my purse. And I did get their catalog. Actually, two. So I'm actually going to keep one in my home on my coffee table. And the other one is what I travel with. It's going to be in my purse. It's actually a really nice book. It's really nice. In fact, let me show y'all some of the pages. Oh, like the, oh, I like that. Look, you can do this side for the supplements, and you do this for the makeup. Pretty smart. Alright guys, that is it. If you are interested in becoming a customer, I promise you, you will not be disappointed. You can log on to my site, check out the products. They have something for everybody. And I'm just going to show you guys this is the tea tree collection that I use. I'm actually going to use this right now because I'm so excited I don't have to use my other products. And don't get me wrong, my other products are of really good quality. I don't skip out on my skincare, but why would I still continue to pay for something that doesn't work when I could just use this, save money, and I'm buying for myself. So for me, it's a win-win. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.